Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? How you doing, sis? Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to Logang, where we try to save our coins over here, y'all. We take care of our natural hair on a budget, okay, and try out different things and learn different things. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And if you are returning, hey girl, hey boo, what's up, what's poppin'? Thanks for coming back through to check your girl out with another video. So what we're gonna be doing today is, I have an idea in mind. Let's just say that, not two things, but idea in mind. And I want to do it, but I've been hearing it's so childish, that it looks so childish. But sometimes I don't care what people think, but at the same time, is it really childish? So there's a YouTuber on here. Gosh, what is her name? It starts with a D. I don't know if it's Dandra D something. I don't know. I'll put her name on the screen somewhere here. I seen her hair on TikTok. And if you're not following me on TikTok, sis, go ahead and follow me. I try to post as much as possible and try to be goofy or whatever. Make sure you're following me. It's the same thing. Ruth_Nanda. Okay. And I like her hair a lot. And I really like the whole braids with the beads. That's what I'm talking about. I should have told y'all first. The braids with the beads. People are saying it's so childish. That looks crazy. And people around me that I'm asking, like, do you think it's cute? Do you think it's cute? Saying that it's childish. But I don't think it's childish. I like it. I think it's cute. But I don't know. I don't know. So we're gonna figure it out. Maybe we do the braids and then add the beads later. I'm gonna let you guys let me know what you think. And if you guys think I should do it, then I'm gonna add the beads. And if you don't, then I won't add the beads. You just know how to do the braids. But I have filmed a video on how to braid your hair on my channel already before. I will link it up above. But we're gonna try something a little different. This is the knotless braids. So we're gonna try this. I've never done this before in my life, okay? I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. There's a lot of videos out there on how to do it. I will link the ones that I really like in the description to their channel or whatever, so you can watch it if you want to get that extra tutorial going on, because I'm gonna try my best to show y'all how I do the hair. But yeah, the hair that I have, or matter of fact, what you guys need to have, I need to bring it back some. What you guys need to have for your braiding process is, is some edge control for one, a tail comb. I have a scissors because I like to trim my ends when I'm going through stuff like this, like a protective style. I like to trim my ends if I see anything crazy, get rid of it. And some scrunchies or clips to hold my hair so that it makes the process easier. And then I either have a curling cream or something to kind of give my hair a little moisture. I forgot I had this jojoba oil, Buddha butter, whatever. Shea Moisture Braid Up Conditioning Gel with carrot seed oil for protective styles. I forgot I had this in my thing. I don't know when I bought this, but I picked it up. Forgot that I had it. And I was like, why not try it? So I will be using this to help braid my hair as well. To give my hair some moisture. It's like a little jelly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks like a little jelly. It smells okay. I don't know. Jojoba oil stuff don't always smell all that good, but to me it doesn't. But that's what I have there for the process. And then I also have some braiding hair. This is the first time I'm trying this hair. Septra hair braiding is by Vanessa. It's a pre-stretch, pre-layered anti-itch, original antibacterial fibers. It sets in hot water quickly, detangle free. This is what I'm going to use, and this is a 1B, and this is what it says. It's like lightweight, sets in hot water fast, and antibacterial, so it don't itch your scalp, and natural looking on the ends, which it looks pretty stretched. So this is the one with the 3 bundles in them, and then I got 3 packs of these. I accidentally picked up a 4, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to just mix that in, maybe put that in the back. But I have 3 packs of these, so I'm not hoping to do a lot of braids because I'm actually gonna do jumbo. So yeah, I'm hoping this does not take all day. Well, right now it's night. It is maybe about 6:30, 6:45 p.m. And yeah, I'm gonna try to start the back, get like a couple back here started, and then I'll finish this tomorrow. I'm not gonna be up here all night. I gotta work tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start this and try to see. That's the good thing about quarantine, girl. You, when your hair is effed up, you can do it in portions. Okay, take your time and do your hair. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do this hair and what I'm doing with this hair, child, and the results, make sure you are subscribed down below, bloop, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Okay, and keep watching because you know you want to see the results. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let me say this. I'm gonna try to section my hair off camera because it's gonna be hard as hell to section on camera because I gotta get the mirror to, you know, get it right, get it tight, and I can't get the angles right for that. But I will show you guys what it look like after I section the hair in the back to start. Okay, so let's get into it. Like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit. Boot. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys how I'm doing this. So I'm parting from ear to ear, and I'm using my edge control to apply to my roots to make sure that it looks neat and tidy, and I can see any pieces that's not evenly distributed into the section. And then with that particular section, I go ahead and section again to 2 because I told you guys that I am doing jumbo. So that's what I do, and then I'm applying edge control around the parting and to the hair as well. So I'm just detangling my hair so that there's no knots or anything on the hair, and then we'll be going into section our hair out so that we can be able to add our hair easily to each section. I will be using 3 pieces per section. The thickness just varies depending on your finger. I just use my finger to help me out a little bit, and this is how my hair looks all over the room, nice and sectioned and pieced out so I can easily grab one braid. And I did 1 braid just to see if I can do it to show you guys. So let's get into it. Okay. I am also using my Shea Moisture Conditioning gel, braiding gel, and I'm applying it to my hair as well as re-detangling just to make sure there's no knots in my hair. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is section this section into 3 little sections so that I can braid it. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my hair like I will regularly braid. And once my hair has reached my left hand, I will start to apply my hair. So right between my pointer finger and my thumb, I go ahead and add hair. And then I'll braid again. Wait till I get them all in my left hand. And right between my pointer finger and my thumb, I add hair, and that's just to be able to grip the hair in between so that it doesn't get tangled up. So I go ahead and braid again. Please just take your time because you can get your hair tangled up and it will be a problem while you're trying to braid. So take your time. Everything is a learning process. So now I'm adding my last piece of hair to this braid, and then I'm just going to continue to braid all the way down. But like I said, guys, take your time because you do not want to have hair in between different hair and then it start to look crazy. Okay. I also do add the gel and edge control to the hair as I go so that it can help in reducing flyaways and make the braid look more neat.
So now that I've finished my 2 braids, that's just to show you guys how it looks. Then I'm going to show you guys how to end the braids. So this hair started to unravel, so I just went ahead and re-braided it before I dip any hair. So I have hot boiling water put in my picture, and I definitely dipped the ends into the hair. So I bring it all the way up, bring it all the way down, bring it up, bring it down, and then pull it through with the towel. And I do it to both sides, split the hair in 2, make it easier for me, and just dip the hair. If you have help doing it, then by all means, get the help, sis. Get your help. And then just finishing off the hair, what I usually use is my oil sheen and my olive oil hair mousse, and I just apply it to the hair. So it just kind of help with hardening and setting it, as well as making sure the hair, there's no flyaways. Then next after that, I go ahead and add my oil sheen just to make sure my hair is nice and shiny and smelling good, because that hair sheen smells great, okay?
Hey guys, so I'm back with the results of what my hair looks like after the braids. I'm gonna show you guys my hair. I had to slick my edges down because today is now Tuesday and I finished it Friday night. So yep, I'm mad late. Supposed to do this on Saturday when I did makeup, but that didn't work out, sis. So this is how my hair looks. I had to end the thing because I had to take a shower. We're gonna talk about this hair just a little bit because it's not my favorite, but this is how my hair looks. Sorry about the frizziness. I could have definitely put some mousse on, but you know, I think with these is like more natural, so you kind of get the vibes on this particular hairstyle or whatever. But I try to stick my edges down just a little bit. My hair is frizzing up just a little, but this is how it looks. Let me try to give y'all, it's like twisted a little bit, but let me show y'all the back. Ugh. This is how it looks in the back. And yeah, this is how my hair looks. I think I did like an okay job for the fact that this is my first time. I keep playing with the hair, trying to find the right way so I don't look weird. Yeah, some in the front, some in the back. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, but yeah, this is the first time I did this, like I told y'all before. And what I can say is about it is very the flick of the wrist type of situation with the hair. I did section out the hair prior to putting it in, but I don't like the hair. I don't like the hair. The hair unravels at the end, even though I burn it. Like, you can see some of the unravel. I don't like the hair. Like, I'm used to the Expressions and the Janet collection, and this is what they had in the length that I wanted. So far so good, and they didn't have the Janet collection, the Expression, the length I wanted. So, and I'm still new to this state, so I'm still learning different beauty supply stores. I need to try different beauty supply stores. So this is the first time I got braided here from this particular beauty supply store. So, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna go back there to get the length that I want. I might try another one, but this is not it. Like, it unravels. It's cool, but like it's like, I don't know how to explain, but you know when the hair is not right, y'all. Y'all know when hair is not right. And it was a little bit cheaper compared to the Expression hair and all the other stuff, but they didn't have my length because I really wanted like low down on, like low to my butt type situation, and they didn't carry that. So, and I was not gonna buy the single packs. I show you guys the pack that it came in to save me some coins, sis. Save me some coins. If I can get 3 for 1, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So yeah, other than that, like, it came out all right. Like, I cannot complain. Oh, that's just a shine of oil. I cannot complain at all. I did as good as I can. Like, the braids came out kind of neat. The only thing I don't like about it, like I said, it gets frizzy really quickly compared to when I do my box braids. But I like it. I can rock with it. You know, you can see a little bit of flaws and imperfections, but who's checking, sis? So dang close. Why are you so close? Why are you so close to my hair? If you want to, like, you know, you can check it that you can see the imperfections. That means you're too close. Okay? But yeah, it came out good. Like, way less time than I usually take for my box braids, but these are bigger braids too. I've never done my box braids with this big, so maybe I'll do that and see how long it takes me. If it takes me about the same time, which I think it will, because the adding of the hair does take a little process in with the stop and braid. So, but sis, I am feeling myself. Maybe because I got my makeup on, I'm feeling myself. But yeah, I'm feeling myself a little bit. Maybe I'll get some jewelry. Because I bought the beads like I told you guys. Let me know if you feel like beads will be good or not. But since I'm not putting no beads on this hair, it's gonna slip right out. What's the point? And I just only did this because I'm trying to give myself a little break for a little while for my hair, because there's other videos that I want to film, and in the process of getting things together for it, I'm giving my hair a break, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I did this. But otherwise than that, y'all, the hair came out cute or whatever. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, but if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, sis, because you know you want to join the Low gang, okay? And it's Liddy over here, and we like to save our coins, okay? So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload, okay? And comment down below if you guys ever tried the knotless braids before, or after seeing this tutorial, semi-tutorial, if you guys are going to try it or not. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try. I'm very interested in wanting to know. And if you do, y'all, take some pictures. Let me know. Tag me in my Instagram. It is on Ruth_Nanda_. I'll put it on the screen somewhere, so y'all can go ahead and tag me. Let me see. I will post you guys. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to get better consistency on there on IG. So excuse me if I don't have as many pictures, or like it's not very aesthetically pleasing. But you know, I'm trying to get with the program. Trying to get with the program, sis. Just trying to keep up, because it's too much in this world. There's too much stuff going on, too much things I'm trying to do, and sis, only by God's grace, right? Only by God's grace. So yeah, guys, until next time, I'm quit talking with y'all. I'm gonna quit talking and let you guys go, and kisses from me to you. Bye.